Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This plant is Harsingar, also known as Parijat. Do you know this plant is considered lucky for your homes? This plant also brings prosperity in your house. This plant's only flowering season is September to October. It is the start of the September right now, and those who regularly watch our videos know that what we take to grow this plant. Look, this was a plant's condition during the summer season, but we did not lose hope. Instead, we kept on taking care of this plant. The first thing that we did was dip pinching. Actually, it helps in new branches. Alongside, we also took care of the soil. We also gave liquid fertilizer to this plant time to time. Actually, liquid peel fertilizers are the best for your plant. We gave vegetable peel fertilizers to our plant. Slowly over time, we noticed our plant's health was getting way better. Look at our plant's health. It is in such a good health. Plus, it has so many branches. This plant has also gotten so bushy. Although this plant is planted in very little soil in an 8 inches pot, this plant has gotten so healthy. Now we just have to keep a few things in mind, which is that the drainage should be checked. We must also keep in mind that the soil has good fertility. Also, as this plant has been grown in a small pot, we must check its drainage holes time to time. Right now, we are just doing a little bit of pinching. But from next month, we'll be not pinching our plants anymore, as it will be the blooming season then. As it's raining heavily in Delhi, although the flowering season is here, we cannot give any fertilizers. As if we give fertilizers to our plants right now, it will just go through the drainage holes and our plants will not get any benefits. If your plant is also small in height or is less bushy, make sure that you pinch your plants. Now, let me answer some frequently asked questions. First question that we get is that, can we grow this plant from its cuttings? Yes, you can actually grow it from cuttings, but it is a little bit difficult. But if you have root hormones, you can easily grow it from stem cutting. We actually grew this plant from seeds. Even though it takes a bit more time, it is the safest option. While digging the soil of this plant, we noticed that the plant has some root bound. But unfortunately, right now it is the flowering season. So it is definitely not a good idea to repot this plant right now. So we will not do any root pruning right now. Instead, we'll just remove the topsoil of this plant and replace it with other soil. You can only tell by looking that this plant has a lot of root bound. And because this plant has root bound, we are not digging this plant a lot or the root may get damaged. Now another question that we get is that if we want to get many flowers on this plant, what type of fertilizer should we give this plant? The growing stage of this plant is almost over and right now it is the blooming stage. And during the blooming stage, there are 3 different minerals important for your plant. They are calcium, phosphorus and potassium. And you can simply get them by eggshells, banana peel and coffee ground. So later on we will give a mixture of these 3. You can also give kitchen waste compost. Actually, kitchen waste compost is the best for your plants, as kitchen waste compost has all kinds of micro and macronutrients and minerals. Here we are giving our plants liquid kitchen waste compost. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Bye bye.